Do you like purple? Do you like to decorate? Well, in this video, I'm decorating a tablescape with purple. So if you want to see how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for coming back. Now today I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now this collaboration is entitled Passionate Purple Tablescape. And it is hosted by three wonderful YouTube sisters of mine. Marylin at Fabulous Designs on a Budget. Kimberly at Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. And Travinia at TMB Designs. Now, if you're not familiar with these ladies' channels, I will have a link to their channels along with the playlist down in the description box down below. Now, all they ask is for us to decorate a table with using purple. And they asked us to use a hashtag, which I'm going to run across the screen, Passionate Purple Tablescape 2020. Now, they ask you to follow the proper collaboration protocol, which is mention their channels in the video. You must be a member of their channels to link their channels and the playlist in the description box. And they ask you to have fun as well. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with for this passionate purple tablescape, then you know what to do. Stick around. You're here, why don't you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. and never stop exploring. There's always something new on their very last screen. The purple placemat came from Pure One on clearance. The gold charger is from the Dollar Tree. The clear plastic plate and the clear bowl, they were a thrift find, and so was the bowl underneath with the purple trim and the flower pattern. That was a thrift find as well. Now the wine goblets were thrifted as well, and the lavender napkin was an eBay purchase, along with the beautiful purple napkin ring. It was an eBay purchase as well. Nothing on this table I already had everything on this table. Nothing was newly purchased. Now the centerpiece is purple. What I did was I put my long thrifted vases on the table, and I added water and a little bit of food color to turn the water purple, and 2 floating candles in each one. So I thought that would be appropriate with the candles for a centerpiece. Now each setting is the same, guys, and I really like how it turned out. I think the purple passion tablescape is very pretty. It made me think out the box what I had to find around my home that was purple. So I hope you enjoy this video.